Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today I am just cleaning my room and making sure it does not look dusty. I feel like furniture always gets so dusty so quickly. So while I'm doing that, which is very boring, also watching a bunch of like vlogs right now. And it's like Vlogmas. A lot of my favorite YouTubers are just posting every single day and it's kind of hard for me to catch up with the vlogs. And last night I didn't watch any, so I'm trying to catch up on those. And talking about my favorite YouTubers, did you guys see that Julia and Hunter Havens are gonna have a baby? I'm like, oh my gosh, I should have seen it. I don't know how I didn't. It's just like they kept saying that they weren't gonna have a baby until like they were ready, and like I guess they're ready now. But anyway, I'm so excited for them. I'm really excited to see like their journey as parents, and it's so cute how they announced it. It was like Christmas themed. This is what I use to clean my furniture since everything has glass. This is like my favorite thing. Qué bonito. You want to show them their outfit? Oh, you saw your tag. Wow. How do you feel? You like it? Or you do like it? Do you see yourself running in the beach? It's okay. Okay guys, so I'm doing my makeup right now, as you can tell. Oh lord, I got foundation on the viewfinder. Ew. Sorry. Okay, so last night, or más bien ayer, I posted a video on my TikTok about a makeup artist doing my sister's hair and makeup, mostly putting attention on the makeup for a pageant she was in this summer. I know it was for a pageant, and pageant makeup is a bit more full glam, but my sister legit looked not even like herself. He completely changed her features. The video went viral on TikTok. It has over 2.5 million views right now, which is insane. And then I started posting like responses, like just to 2 or 3, that's it, because I just didn't want to put too much attention to the haters. If you have like a TikTok with a lot of views, of course the little haters start coming out, and you know, it's just a lot of drama. But yeah, I just can't believe that there are people who like that style of makeup. And I know like not everything that I like people are gonna like, and everyone has their preference, but honestly when people are like, I don't see anything wrong with it, I'm just like, okay. It kind of scares me, you know. I'm like, geez, like I wonder how your makeup looks like, girl. But anyway, like it was no hate towards the makeup artist. I don't even know who it was. It just really shocked me because my sister said that this guy had 16 years of experience. Hello? With who? That TikTok is doing pretty well for me, but I'm also really scared about people like attacking each other in the comments. I'm trying not to look at them because I'm like, why are they fighting? Like, you don't even know that person. Like, why are you wasting your time like commenting and being rude? And it's not even towards like the makeup now, it's just like people are like attacking each other, and I'm like, geez. While I'm doing my makeup, I'm thinking about the Sephora sale. Guys, I know Sephora loves to take our money, but like I'm trying to control myself. I do need to buy more toner though. I feel like I always have to repurchase my Laneige toner, even though I just bought the Belief one, but I like to have a backup of that other one. It's just like my go-to. I also need to go to Target later in a bit so I can buy some gift wrapping paper because I don't have any more for any presents. Like I only have happy birthday gift wrap, and I don't need to do that. That's not the right occasion. Oh, I actually want to try this technique where you put it on your... I always forget to do this, so you kind of like rub it. It's because these blushes are so pigmented, y'all. It's gonna be like too much. Well, actually that's perfect. Okay, so that was good for just one cheek. So let me try this out. It's just messy if you don't have like a towel or something. This is the shade Encourage, by the way. I didn't really like it at first. I don't know why I bought it if I don't really like this shade. It's just like too dark, but when you blend it out, it doesn't look too bad, you know? I think I just got like with the hype of like, oh, get this shade because it's like perfect for the winter. It's just a bit mauvey than I usually go for. And I've been using the heck out of my halo powder from e.l.f. This is good. It just doesn't last well. Obviously, if you have very oily skin, I don't really recommend this one because my skin kind of looks dewy at the end of the night with this powder. It's not like Huda where your face is gonna like look soft matte all day. This is more like for an everyday where like you don't really mind being a little glowy at the end of the night. So I'm gonna head out to Target, and after that I'm gonna go to my studio because I have to prep for quinceañera this Saturday, and I have to drop off some things like my new camera. I got a camera from my studio since I don't really physically live there. I need to like feel at peace knowing that I can see what's going on in my studio. Not that I don't trust like the people who like live at the house, because my brother lives there and then some coworkers from the restaurant live there. You just never know. And I don't really have like a physical door. You guys saw I have curtains just to give me like a peace at mind, something like that, just to make me feel calm, like I can check out my studio whenever. Also, this is the last time I'll talk about it because I know it's gonna get annoying, but I looked at my TikTok and it's at 2.8 million, guys. Like, oh my god. I don't know what I feel because I like that people are seeing my work and it's making me happy because I'm getting new followers, but also with that comes a lot of judgment. My work is, you know, I like my work. I wouldn't be posting it if I wasn't proud of my work. I was like really hesitant about posting those pictures of my sister. I actually even have pictures of the other girls from the pageant from that same day where they got jacked up, where their makeup was just not it. And I didn't post it, but Celeste did on her TikTok. So if you guys want to see how the other girls las dejaron, ahí les dejo el TikTok de mi hermana para que vean sus videos. Pero yeah, I was super hesitant, and it literally was from July. So it's been like a couple months since this happened. And you know what? I was like, I'm gonna post those pictures. Like, I'm proud of what I did, and I feel like this is a great learning experience. Pero hay gente que no, que dicen que se miraba bien. So, you know, hay de todo en este mundo, hay clientas para todas. Por eso a lo mejor hay maquillistas de todo tipo para la gente que les gusta the buchona look, you know, hay una maquillista para ti. And it also just comes to show like you need to find a makeup artist that is your style. It wasn't my sister's fault. Like, the pageant people literally just told them like, hey, we hired a makeup artist and he does hair. Y'all are gonna get all glammed up tomorrow, show up. And they did, and they showed up, and it wasn't really cute, but to each their own. Again, just if you're gonna get married or if you're gonna do something very important that you want to get glammed up, make sure that you're looking at their work and that you like it. I've had clients where they don't even know what they want themselves, and they show up and they don't even know. Like, I'm like, okay, well, have you seen my work? And they're like, yeah, I've seen some. I'm like, it kind of discourages me because they didn't like do their research, you know. I feel like they just picked me because I'm like their last option. Eso me hace sentir muy como triste, kind of, porque pues digo, they didn't take their time to investigate my work, you know, and the type of style that I have. Nunca voy a dejar a nadie fea. Ojalá que todo lo que yo ponga en mi Instagram, ustedes sepan que yo lo hice con mucho amor, y pues sí. Ya voy a la Target, okay? I gotta go. No me las traje conmigo a la tienda, guys, because iba sola and I just want to be aware of my surroundings and not just be on my camera. I got some things, let me show you. So, iba a ir por nomás wrapping paper, right? So I got some cute wrapping paper. This is like a metallic red with gold that they say Happy Holidays or Merry Christmas, algo así. Merry Christmas, I think. Y luego me encontré esta pijama que ya la tengo, me encanta. It's like one of my favorite ones. Es de la marca Stars Above, and me encanta y ya la tengo. But mine is getting like really like not thin, but like boludo. Like it's getting like really fluffy and weird because I wear it pretty much every night and I wash it a lot. So I got a new one. I got it in a medium. They're like more like flared and just regular pants, while the ones that I have right now, they're like joggers. So I went by the beauty section and then I found these really pretty blush rosy toned loofahs. I already got some from Amazon, but those are so rough. Like, I like it when they're rough, okay? Like, I don't like them when they're so soft. So stocked up on those. And then I got a box cutter. Like, I always notice that we're always looking for something sharp and we always use our knives or our keys. I always use my eyelash scissors, so I shouldn't do that. And then I had to get stuff for my kit. I wanted another small one. I think one more small one fits in my large bag. And then I saw, this is the last one they had, the e.l.f. Halo Glow, and this is in the shade 8 Rich. Don't have anything like this for my deeper skin tone girls. So what I'm thinking is I'm gonna probably, like, if I need something in between the shade that I have now from this, I can just mix them. It's always good to have like a really light shade and a dark shade. And I saw that they had these. I was trying to look them up like online, like on Ulta, and they didn't have it in Ulta, but they're from Target if you're wondering. These are the Naked Lashes, like the Ardell Trio, and this is a great way to test out their lash styles. I have 420, 421, and 422. They're very, very beautiful. I feel like everyone would like these. I got two of a very dramatic style. I got the ones that have the wispies, the 817s, and the 811s. And then recently I saw this girl on TikTok, like, even though it's wintertime, she was wearing like a really pretty fuchsia pink on her nails and it looked so elegant, so beautiful. Sometimes I get caught up with like, you can only wear certain colors during a season, but you know, I bought it. I bought a really pretty like fuchsia pink and I love painting my nails, so I was like, I need a color like this in my collection anyways. Really happy. This is OPI's Madame President. I was actually trying to look for like a really deep emerald green nail polish, pero no había, so this just this just has to do. This color that I'm wearing right now is actually by Essie, Bikini Sotini. This color reminds me when I was in junior high, guys, like when I was 12 or 13, doing my nails. I actually did a nail design using this color, and then on this finger, I did like a penguin, and then these nails were all blue, and it was so pretty, and I used to be obsessed with doing my nails. I was like a really good nail designer back in the day. Do I still do that? Not really anymore. I just paint my nails, but I'm just boring. Okay guys, so I just left my studio. I tried to connect my camera and my mistake, I think, because I connected my camera to my Wi-Fi at my house and now my camera doesn't want to connect to the one here. I don't know, so I have to go and figure that out. That's so frustrating. Like, why doesn't it say that? Maybe I'm just dumb and I didn't research. Yeah, anyway, I just organized my kit a little bit better because I got that new little container. That was very exciting. Small things like that make me so happy. And I also did record like a small little video of what my makeup kit costs. I actually saw Julie Ruby make a video on that and I was like, wow, that is so, like, such a great idea, because I know I spent a lot of money for my business, pero poniéndolo así como en esa forma, like seeing how much everything costs in your kit, you're like, whoa. And I know I should do that like every so often when I put more stuff into my kit, because it's important to make sure you know what you have in there, just in case, God forbid, if you lose something. But yeah, now I'm going home. I gotta wrap some presents. And I still can't believe Julia Havens is pregnant, guys. Like, I keep thinking about that and I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so happy for her and for Hunter. Okay, I gotta stop. I know it's been a bit. Obviously, look at my makeup. I did not look like this a few seconds ago. I'm trying to fix the lighting, sorry. Okay, so I ended up recreating the look that I did on my sister, like on that TikTok. It's the black smoky eye. I never do black smoky eyes on me. I just feel like they're super intense and they're really hard to take off, like, I'm not gonna lie, because I have to put on like a eyeliner underneath for the base to like attract the black eyeshadow, because if you just use black eyeshadow it looks kind of patchy. So a ver cómo me quito esto, pero at least it's not permanent, you know, I can take it off, thank God. So the reason why I had to recreate it, or I wanted to recreate it, is because some girl commented like, oh, something about me gatekeeping, and I was like, I did not gatekeep. I literally tell you guys like what I use all the time, so I wanted to prove her wrong. Hey guys, good morning. It is Saturday and I'm rushing to get ready. It is 5:30 something. Oh no, 5:20. 5:25 in the morning. I have to start doing makeup at 6, but the good thing is that it's at my studio today. It's a quinceañera, so I think I already said that, but the good thing it's literally in my studio, so it's not too stressful for me. I just have to like put something on my face because I don't want to look dead. I'll catch you up later when I'm at my studio. Hey guys, so I just finished and I'm cleaning up everything right now. Yeah, I really loved her look. Fatima looks so good, and I literally knew Fatima when she was like little, like less than 10 years old, because when I met her, I think I was like 13, so I wasn't even 15 when I met her. So it was just like, I don't know, I feel like those old people and they're like, oh my gosh, I remember when you were little, and like you're like I don't even know you. No, but for real, this was like, it was very emotional when I saw her like all glammed up, and I was like, oh my gosh, cómo pasa el tiempo, de verdad, cómo pasa el tiempo y cómo crecemos in a blink of an eye. Pero ahora ya me toca lavar todas mis brochas y I already disinfected everything and I'm ready to eat. But I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because I don't have anything else except I'm gonna go eat, so not really interesting. But thank you guys for watching my videos, and I will see you in the next one.